Hey, Steve Jolly here with the Home Buying Skills channel. And on today's show, I want to talk to you about the top tips to outsmart the home buying game. The home buying process can be quite complex. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned seller, there's always something new to learn. And that's why understanding the process is so important. It helps you make informed decisions, negotiate better deals, and avoid common pitfalls. And in this video, we're going to dive into all aspects of the home buying process, from building a strong foundation to mastering the art of negotiation. And by the end of this series, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to outsmart the home buying process and make your real estate dreams a reality. And the tip on pricing is essential to your success. Are you ready to get started? Let's get to business. Building a strong foundation. Whether you're buying or selling a home, having a solid foundation is key to successful real estate transaction. Think of it as building a house. You need a strong base to support the rest of the structure. And in this case, our foundation consists of two main components: assembling a top-notch team and understanding your financial position. First, let's talk about your team. A great real estate team can make all the difference when navigating the home buying process. Start by selecting an experienced real estate agent who knows the local market and can guide you every step of the way. Next, find a trustworthy mortgage broker to help you secure the best financing options. And don't forget to involve a reputable real estate attorney to review contracts and protect your interests. And finally, choose a thorough home inspector to ensure the property you're interested in is in good condition. And now that you've assembled your team, it's time to take a close look at your financial position. And understanding your finances is crucial as it helps you make informed decisions, set realistic expectations. Start by checking your credit score and addressing any issues that may affect your ability to secure a mortgage. Next, obtain a pre-approval letter from a lender, as it will not only help you determine your budget, but also show sellers that you're a serious buyer. And finally, carefully assessing your overall financial situation to create a realistic budget for your home purchase, taking into account factors like down payment, closing costs, and monthly expenses. Congratulations, you just built a strong foundation for your real estate journey. And by assembling a top-notch team and understanding your financial position, you are well on your way to outsmarting the home buying process. Market research and analysis. Now let's explore the importance of market research and analysis in helping you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Whether you're a buyer or seller, market research and analysis are key components of a successful real estate transaction. And by understanding the local market and current trends, you'll be better equipped to make decisions and maximize your investment. First, let's discuss the importance of location. When looking for a home, it's crucial to consider factors such as neighborhood safety, school districts, and access to amenities like parks, shopping, and public transportation. Spend time researching and visiting different neighborhoods to find the one that best suits your needs and lifestyle. Next, it's essential to understand the current market trends. This will help you determine the best time to buy or sell and will give you a better idea of what to expect in terms of pricing and inventory. Begin by researching pricing trends in your desired area, including factors like median home prices, days on the market, and price per square foot. Keep an eye on inventory levels, as they can greatly influence the competition and pricing strategies in the market. And don't forget to consider market cycles. Understanding whether it's a buyer's or seller's market can help you make strategic decisions throughout the process. And by conducting thorough market research and analysis, you're now better prepared to navigate the home buying process with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, and being well informed will put you one step ahead in the competitive world of real estate. Next, we'll focus on crafting a winning strategy for both buyers and sellers, making sure you get the most out of your real estate transaction. A well-planned strategy is the key to a successful real estate transaction. By understanding your goals and leveraging your knowledge of the market, you can make smart decisions that ultimately lead to success. For buyers, start by making a list of your must-haves and deal breakers. This will help you focus your search and ensure you find a home that meets your needs. Next, utilize technology and resources like real estate websites, apps, and your agent's expertise to streamline your search. Be sure to keep an open mind and be willing to compromise on certain features, as finding the perfect home may require some flexibility. Now, let's discuss strategies for sellers. The goal is to sell your home quickly and for the best possible price. To achieve this, you'll need to take a few important steps. First, price your home strategically by considering factors like market trends, comparable properties, and your home's unique features. Work closely with your real estate agent to determine the most attractive listing price. Next, invest time and effort in staging and presentation. A well-staged home can make a significant difference in attracting potential buyers. And finally, utilize various marketing and advertising techniques such as paid advertising, professional photography, virtual tours, and social media promotion to showcase your property to the widest audience possible. Congratulations, you're now well equipped with winning strategies for both buying and selling. And with these tips in mind, you're one step closer to outsmarting the home buying process and achieving your real estate goals. In our next section, we're going to dive into mastering the negotiation process, an essential skill for both buyers and sellers. Negotiations. Now we're going to discuss a crucial skill in any real estate transaction, mastering the art of negotiation. Negotiating is an essential part of the home buying process. Whether you're a buyer trying to get the best price or a seller looking to maximize your profits, effective negotiation skills can make a world of difference. First and foremost, it's important to understand various negotiation tactics. Some common strategies include making an initial offer below your maximum budget and being willing to walk away, and using time constraints to your advantage. Do your research and choose the tactics that best align with your goals and personal style. I would consider watching my video on Jim Camp's negotiation strategy and adapting that one. Next, collaborate closely with your real estate agent during the negotiation process. Their expertise and knowledge in the market can be invaluable in helping you navigate through counteroffers, contingencies, and other negotiation-related challenges. Speaking of contingencies, don't underestimate their power in the negotiation process. Contingencies can be used as leverage to protect your interest and potentially secure better terms. Examples include financing, inspection, and appraisal. Discuss your options with your real estate agent to determine your best approach for your unique situation. And finally, when dealing with counteroffers and managing expectations, remember that negotiation is often about finding a middle ground. Be prepared to make compromises and maintain open communication with the other party to ensure a smoother process and a successful outcome. Now you're equipped with the skills to master the negotiation process, and you're well on your way to outsmarting the home buying process and achieving your real estate goals. And in the next section, we're going to explore navigating the closing process to ensure a smooth and seamless transaction. Closing on a property is the last step in your real estate journey. It can be both exciting and nerve-wracking, but by understanding the process and being well prepared, you can ensure a smooth and seamless closing. First, let's talk about the importance of being organized. Closing involves a considerable amount of paperwork, so it's essential to keep track of all the documents and be prepared to provide any required information promptly. Work closely with your real estate agent, mortgage lender, and attorney to ensure all necessary documents are in order and submitted on time. And next, be prepared for closing costs. These expenses, which typically range from 2% to 5% of the loan amount, can include such items as appraisal fees, title insurance, and attorney's fees. Ensure you have a clear understanding of all closing costs and have the funds available to cover them. Another crucial aspect of the closing process is addressing any contingencies. And this can include completing a final walkthrough of the property, addressing any inspection issues, and receiving a satisfactory appraisal. Make sure all contingencies are met before moving forward with the closing. Lastly, on the day of closing, be prepared to review and sign a significant amount of paperwork. This will include documents related to your mortgage, title transfer, and other legal matters. Bring your ID, take your time, ask questions if you're unclear about any terms or conditions. Congratulations, you successfully navigated the closing process. And with your newfound knowledge and the guidance of your experienced team, You outsmarted the home buying process and achieved your real estate goals. Thank you for watching this video on buying a home. If you liked it, hit the like button so we'll know that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer every one. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Take care and have a great day.